Hello everyone, so here is a quick overview of Pandora on Xbox One. This is how you can launch the Pandora application on Xbox and choose whether you'd like to activate on your Xbox or from a mobile device. So if you want to activate Pandora from Xbox One, choose either you have a Pandora account or I'm new to Pandora, and then follow the prompts. To activate from a mobile device, open a Pandora app on the mobile, go to settings, select device activation, and activation page will appear. Leave this code up on the device screen as you continue, and then select continue on your Xbox One. So there you have it. So you can navigate easily through Xbox One, you can search on Xbox One, you can search stations, you can delete a station, but I'm not sure I think you can't create stations on Xbox One. You can also, using a snap feature of Xbox One, you can listen to Pandora in the background. So just launch Pandora, sign into your account, select content, press the home button to return to a video game, and then to control your music while you're playing, double tap the home button on your controller and then choose pins and select Pandora. So there you have it. You can have explicit content filtering on Xbox One. And here's some general troubleshooting for Pandora on Xbox One. So there you have, guys. Thanks for watching.